Hi guys, it's Elle. You probably have been missing my voice because um these last couple of Halloween look videos I have not been able to record my voice for other reasons, not necessarily technical issues, but it's kind of hard to film when somebody's always constantly talking to you, so I kind of had to just do quick little videos. But today I'm going to be talking, I'm going to be yapping. You're ready for it, because get ready if you're not. I'm trying out a new angle because I think you can see me better from this angle. And I've been had the thing that holds the phone. I've been had one of them that stands up, but I haven't been using it because in my head I was like, it's better for me to face the mirror while I do my makeup and while I talk to y'all. But I was like, this looks better. I don't have to worry about bending down constantly. And I can easily just walk up close for you to see. Yeah. So yay. Also, by the way, remember I don't know if you watched the video, but I spoke about being in cosmetology school. I've been dropped out. I dropped out. I am a quitter. To me. Anyways, today we're going to be getting into some more Halloween looks. I'm going to be doing a leopard print Gyaru makeup. I've been trying to do more Halloween videos that are Gyaru-esque or making it look more Gyaru, because why not? I also just haven't been wearing Gyaru makeup very often here lately, so I'm making up for it by doing these videos. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna start off doing my base a little more normal like I would usually do. I'm not gonna do the nose strip. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I don't think I'm gonna do the nose contour that I usually do for Gyaru. I think I am gonna try and do a little bright under eye in this area. I am gonna do the brows like I usually do for Gyaru, very thin. But let me stop talking and let's get into it. I'm doing a lot of PR on TikTok, and Estee Lauder sent me their foundation. I got it a size too light, a shade too light, because I didn't check the actual shades. I just went by the name, because every time I get foundation, my shade always has the word beige in it, and I knew I prefer more neutral foundation, so I just chose the one that had the word beige in it, and that also was a neutral foundation. I do have a question. Do you guys prefer longer videos? Because when I do talking videos, they're 20 something minutes, usually, depending on how complicated the look is. Or do y'all prefer the short and sweet 10-minute or less than 10-minute videos? Because I don't talk in my day-to-day life. I may be a little talkative here, but baby, I be silent everywhere else. So I like talking a lot in these videos where I get to be myself and shit. And I don't know, I feel like I have more fun talking, and which is why I actually prefer to have the long form videos. I actually hated that I had to upload videos that were 5 minutes long, because I'm I can't talk in this video at the moment, but I wanna talk my shit. Hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you really want to hold me when I'm I think I'm gonna make them a little thinner. They don't exactly match, but that's okay. Close enough. I'm gonna do my concealer a little bit more of the same, but I'm going to put it very close underneath my eye compared to what I usually do, simply because in most of the pictures that I'm using as a reference, it's a little bright under here a little bit, so there's not much really highlight anywhere else. I'ma still do it, but yeah. So because it's literally a leopard, we're gonna do a lot of bronzing, so I'm gonna use my deeper shade of bronzer. Obviously the tiniest bit because I really don't need a whole lot with this one, but the other one is like more for softer looks. And plus this is also like Gyaru, so it's like duh. My light died, so I have it plugged up while it's on. I don't know if it's gonna turn back off, but we'll see. Now the nose contour is gonna be a little tricky because like I want it to literally look like a feline's like nose or whatever. So I'm gonna be contouring it mostly based on that. I don't want to do my regular nose contour because I really just don't know how that's gonna look. Okay, I feel like I did something wrong here. Don't quite know how to fix it because I don't think I understood my own vision. So I'm just gonna add the little white eyeshadow stick in this area. Let's just do the other side. A little underneath my eyebrow too, because that's kind of. So we're gonna blend this out a little bit and then powder. Now we're going to do blush and bronzer. You already know the deal when it comes to the bronzer. Put that shit on. And a lot of it. I need some more. This is actually embarrassing. And I ordered a bunch of stuff on YesStyle and I still ain't. Oh, by the way, bitch, use my YesStyle code and my Olive Young code is loser444, all caps. Put it on the screen. Use my code for up to, I think it's like up to like 10% off. And if you're a YesStyle influencer, comment your YesStyle code and I'll use it because I like coupons and I like shopping. I'm gonna put a lot more bronzer on my temples because that's where most of the dots are gonna go, the little spots. I want to use a deeper blush, but I don't have any fucking blushes. We're just gonna put this on and keep it pushing. So I think I'm actually gonna start with the eyeliner because I always feel like when it comes to Gyaru makeup, it's like almost easier to do the eyeliner first and then work around with the eyeshadow. Especially since this is gonna be a little complicated and I don't want to place the eyeshadow on and then like the eyeliner is in a completely different shape than what I made the thing. You know what I'm talking about. I'm still gonna do a winged liner, but when it comes to Gyaru and winged liner, you should still very much bring it down a little bit first. Okay, so I think I messed up. I will fix it. I will fix it with some concealer. I'm gonna do the other liner off camera. This is this liner. Yeah, we're just gonna do this off camera. I'm gonna smoke it out a little bit with some black eyeshadow. Managed to mess that up as well, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm now gonna do various brown eyeshadows to mimic Gyaru makeup. Yeah. It really doesn't even matter what shades of brown. Like, just figure out what brown looks best. Like when I do smoky eyes, I really just put that shit on. I don't really be caring enough. Just put it on there. It's all gonna get blended out anyways. I'm gonna bring that same deeper brown shade on the lower eyeliner. You're gonna add some black. Just put that shit on. I don't have a white eyeshadow. If you do, use a white eyeshadow. I have to use random peach shades. Actually, I can't tell which one's brighter. I think this one's brighter. Yeah, but if you have a white, use a white. I don't have a white. So we're gonna use this cream color. I basically just go over the parts that I put that white eyeshadow stick. I haven't figured out how I was gonna do the I haven't figured out how I was gonna do the little prints. I just realized. I'm gonna use liner because I feel like that's the most precise. I'm literally a makeup artist. I'm a makeup guru. I am literally amazing. Period. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest off camera and come back when I do the brown. Before I do the brown parts, I'm gonna go ahead and do the nose and the little line. I'm literally a feline. Like, I'm literally a feline. Like, what are you talking about? I think I'm gonna just take what I use for bronzer and literally just like, I don't think I'm gonna use that one. Do I have a smaller one? We're gonna use this one. I don't know if this is any smaller. Okay, my hands-eye coordination isn't good, so I'm gonna have to do this off camera. Lashes, then lips. I'm gonna do the lashes first. No, I'm gonna do the lips first. The lips is just gonna be some brown on top of brown on top of black. I just realized I don't have brown lipstick, and the look I wanted to do required that. So I'm just gonna literally use all of this. But before I put on any lip gloss, I'm gonna take a little black. You're gonna see. I don't need to explain. I'm gonna do my lashes, then come back out. I may make a little tweaks to make it a little more Gyaru, because it's not looking Gyaru enough for me. But I'll try it. So I ate. I'm gagging you bitches. Gagged you are. I am serving not only cunt but pussy. I'm serving feline. I think I did when I did the drag makeup. Where I'm just like, oh my gosh, the boardworms. Not the boardworms. I just look so good. I just look so good. Like, and then the hair and the, oh bitch, like I'm winning. Like I'm winning. Like I'm kicking you hoes to the ground. Let me be humble. Let me be a little humble. I guess it looks good. That was today's video. I think it came out great. The only thing that I added after doing the lips and the was, bottom lashes. I tried to make it a little more ghetto with the bottom lashes. These hoes won't stick. Also, I need more dramatic bottom lashes. These are not really cutting it. And I did a little glitter. Yeah, I added a little more. Literally just like 2 more. On my cheeks because you can't see the rest with this wig on. But I'm eating. I'm serving. I'm giving pussy. I'm giving pussy. I'm serving cunt. Like, oh my gosh. Ah! Bitch, if I was tall, if I was taller, wait. Oh, 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 oh. Cunt? Cunt is being served? Cunt is being served and I'm eating it. Ah! Okay, that was today's video. Hope you guys liked it as much as I did. Subscribe for more content. Let me know if there's any other makeup looks you want me to do. It doesn't necessarily have to be Halloween looks, but just in general. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.